এটারও
Sir,
অ্যাডভান্স
I
আছে।
want, sir, I want to say something about your course.
ওকে, গো অন প্লিজ, থ্যাংক ইউ, গো অন।
Sir, I am, sir, I explained about your course in some sentences. At first, I think that your course is like a magic, and your teaching method is excellently. Your teaching method is very excellent, because you teach us like a magician, and uh, if I learn in this way, I think that I will be very fluent like you. So I want to continue my teaching method in that way. And the next quote mentioning explained is that it is my first online class.
হুম।
So I am enjoying it very much. And I think that if I continue in your method, I will be also enjoy a lot of things.
Oh, thank you. She deserves a big clap. Please, everyone put your hands together and appreciate her excellent performance. Thank you. Thank you. Those are
You are
excellent. They
most welcome,
deserve,
sir.
yeah, they deserve the appreciation. We should appreciate them, right, from every sides. So thank you. Who wants to say
Hello,
about our
sir.
course, please?
Assalamu alaikum. Sir, I can say something about
Yeah,
your course.
sure. Thank you. Please go on.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Your course is very fantastic, and your teaching program is wonderful, just
Hmm.
like magic,
Oh,
because you teach us very easy way. Your system is like a magic. If you teach in this way, I will if I will be fluent very easily.
wow, thank you. Well tried. Well tried. I hope that. Thank you. So, now who wants to say now?
Sir, I can say something.
Yeah. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Iti. I
Iti.
can say
Iti, ma'am.
something about my English course.
Hmm.
My English course is really helpful,
Hmm.
and your way of teaching is amazing
Thank you.
because you make everything easy to understand, and that helped me a lot. I am very happy to learn from you. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you too. Thank you too. Who wants to say now?
I want to say now.
Okay, Fazlutunnesa, ma'am, right?
Yes,
Okay,
I
please.
want to say something for about your course.
Mm-hmm.
Your course is very fantastic, and your teaching system is very, very good. Because you teach is a very easy way. If you teach this way, I will be fluent very easily.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. For we also want to be fluent, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Magic sir is very talented and
Mm-hmm.
like a magician.
Oh, thank
Uh,
you for calling me magician. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
very much,
of course.
dear
Right.
staff, of course.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you too. Now, Manha, ma'am. Manha, the ID Manha, please.
Your course is very amazing and your teaching way is very well because you teach us very easily. If you teach in this way, I can learn I can I will be fluent very easily. So this is the very best English class I ever did.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.